Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering both devices and making Bluetooth discoverable. This is essential because low power or hidden radios block pairing. Next, charge to at least 20% and close apps that use audio or location. They often claim the radio and cause conflicts. Once done, move the devices within 3 feet and remove metal or crowded USB hubs that interfere. Finally, toggle Bluetooth off and on to reset the radio and put the target device into pairing mode so you can begin the sync sequence. You now remove old pairings and reset the local Bluetooth state so the devices stop trying stale connections. Clearing the cache or forgetting the device forces a fresh handshake. Then follow the device-specific pairing routine. Press and hold the pairing button until the LED blinks or enter the provided code, because manufacturers vary and the right sequence ensures secure key exchange. Once you see the confirmation tone or icon, accept any permission dialogues. If you must, repeat toggles and reattempt the handshake to complete the link. You finish by confirming the connection works for the intended use, switch audio to the new device, or transfer a file to verify data channels, because some pairings complete but don't route correctly. Make sure the device is selected as input or output in settings. If the link flutters, reboot both devices and check for firmware updates. Updated radios and stacks fix many bugs. As a final troubleshooting tip, perform a factory reset on the Bluetooth peripheral only after other options fail, then repair from scratch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.